actual goal is to have some sustainable solutions provided to the customer, considering the current environmental norms which are coming up, or the current environment which is being affecting the human population which is coming.
The last 3.5 years, in everyday basis, you will learn new things. Growth curve of the TC is like really high. So it's nothing about me, it's about we, and we'll make TC really successful. I'm quite sure about that.
After class 10th, I have set my goal that I would do something that as an engineer, whatever you do, you can see it happening on the ground. So that is what inspired me to become an engineer.
Special message that previously designed systems are not going to work in the future, in the long run, because of sustainability aspects. So that is a new aspect that has come into engineering. You have to learn that, implement it in our life.
I'd love to be a part of developing this country because TC is involved in a lot of infrastructure projects, especially government projects in India, and I would love to be involved in shaping this country.
I consider Dr. MRS Bhuvaneshwari as my role model, as she has contributed into green infrastructure and earthquake resistance building, and yes, she has inspired many women to pursue career in civil engineering.
I feel that TC is the one which is doing a very good thing by providing 1 year of training. Thereby for a fresher, it's very important that he gets a proper training, whereas other companies are not providing this 1 year of training. So I think this 1 year is very crucial for a person who is a fresher.
Role model for engineering was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, because usually he motivates and inspires the young students related to science and technology.
Seeing the condition of Indian infrastructure and the problems on roads and railways, I thought we should resolve all these issues, and that was the instigation for me to come for infrastructure development and to become an engineer for that.
It's a very good project with TC, so they will definitely grow, and yes, TC is growing only, you can adventure that.
If I have a dream power, I will like to invent some sustainable things. Sustainable things like replacement for concrete, or inventing better materials which has similar bonding properties like concrete and reinforcement, because as we see the global warming is increasing and the availability of these minerals are also reducing, and we are focusing only on extraction of materials but not on the replenishment. So if we replace this concrete and reinforcement with some other kind of more sustainable materials, it will be helpful for us. So I would like to do that thing if I have some special powers.
Model of engineering is Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar. He is a chemical engineer and a great Indian scientist. He has won many international awards, and I really like his story of rags to riches, how he developed himself and became a great Indian scientist and a chemical engineer.
I have been associated with Chandrayaan also, we have been associated with Temple also, we have been associated with others, many of these projects which are one of a kind in the country. Yep. So I wish my company a great good luck, and I wish to do some more one of a kind projects which are there in the country.
In my 29 years of career, right from my GET days to today, all my mentors, seniors, they are the ones who made me what I am today.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is one of the best philosophical minds and engineering minds in India will ever be.
Consider my role model to Isaac Newton, because he is always curious about the engineering. So how the problem you can solve and identify, and how you come to the solutions for this particular thing. So this thing motivate me how we can proceed as an engineer for being revolutionary for the future project and innovative solutions. These things innovate me as a role model for my engineering pursuit.
Engineering is everything is under construction on this planet, and without engineering we cannot have anything to be constructed. So maybe any field, mechanical, civil, electronics, nowadays growing departments of engineering like AI and all that, everything is possible by engineering. Without engineering, life cannot proceed.
Consider every engineer as a role model, because every day they are doing something different, something new for the betterment of the mankind and also for the environment. So every engineer we learn every day.